Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix phone guys system navigation setting, how to set up system navigation in Infinix mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, last option you will find here system setting. Click here. After system setting, friends, click here system navigation setting. And friends, one by one we will talk about system navigation setting. First friends, we will talk about gesture navigation. So friends, on your gesture settings, and after on gesture setting friends, you cannot use three button navigation, and friends you want to back. So how to back? Right side, and friends left side if you swipe, so you can use back button setting. Left side, right side back button, and press recent tab you want to close, so I hold here and you can close it. So like that friends, you can use your gesture settings, and you want to close your recent tab, so you can close. So friends, three button navigation will not show on screen. Three button navigation setting will remove. Friends, you can see we cannot use three button navigation. Right left side we can use back button. And friends, again open your phone system setting, system navigation setting. Friends, click here three button navigation setting. After on three button navigation setting friends, you can see three button navigation will show on screen, and friends gesture settings will remove. Friends, right and left side you cannot use gesture settings. You can use guys your three button navigation setting is back button, home button, close app button. So friends, now you can use your three button navigation on your Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to change your three button layout style. Friends, you can see back button is right side, I will change into left side. From system setting, open your phone system setting, click here system navigation, and friends click here more settings. And friends, you can see voice assistant setting you want to on, so you can on and you can use voice assistant setting. Friends, click here choose layout guys, I will change. Friends, you can see back button right side, we will change into left side. And friends, from left side you can use your back button, right side friends you can close your recent tab. Friends, I will set it to default style. Again click here default style, select, and we can use. And friends, you can see voice assistant setting. Friends, you can see to activate voice assistant, press and hold the home button guys. So press and hold guys home button. Friends, you can use your voice assistant setting on your device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.